At Lion, we understand firefighters.
We've been working beside you for more than a century.
You put your life on the line every day.
That's why we dedicate our lives to keeping you safe.
Before, during, and after the fire.
Being in the third largest city and fire department and protecting a city that has no zoning and is also identified as the petrochemical capital of the country, there are many types of incidents that our firefighters can face. And the relationship we have with Lion has been very important to us because it has allowed us to have say in the design and development of the props that we have here on campus. We have to have collaboration. That's what contributes to the success in achieving our mission and providing for the health and safety of our people.
Anyone that comes in and visits us and sees the processes that we do here, they're kind of overwhelmed at the fact that there's so many different parts and pieces to a garment that pull it all together, and all of the hands-on craftsmanship that go into making the garment. We don't have automation, it's a lot of human beings doing those jobs that create at the end a great quality product going out to our customer.
We constantly are looking for what is functioning well, what's not, and we want to change if need be to meet or exceed their expectations. We're making gear to protect our heroes. And if our gear is not doing what we say it's going to do, then we're jeopardizing someone's life.
Quality is everything in this facility, and everything that we manufacture. We have to make sure that it's the best. We don't provide cookie cutter garments, so all departments are different, so we have to be attentive to their needs and make sure we satisfy those needs.
Every piece that comes through our facility is touched by so many different people, from cleaning it, to inspecting it, to repairing it, to shipping it, doing our QC work, and then getting it all back together so that the firefighter has it on time back at their station so they can perform their work. This work is important to me and to all of our employees that we work here because at any given time, those firefighters can be the ones that are saving our lives.
One of the things that's most gratifying is when we get to hear the firefighter testimonials where they say that our gear helps save their life.
Whether it's the gear, the training props, or the cleaning, inspection, and maintenance of our bunker gear.
I have a sense of purpose.
I mean, that resonates within all of us that feel that we've been a part of helping save someone's life so that they can go home safe to their family at night.
We are Lion.
Today and always.
Keeping you and every first responder
Ready for action.